Hi everyone. So I had to insert a lot of records into a third party system, okay, and I had to call an API continuously, okay, and unfortunately I was getting bad gateway errors, okay, and when I troubleshooted the issue, I found out that it was a temporary issue, and the server was getting overloaded at some point in time, and then that's when I got the bad gateway error. So what I did was I implemented a retry logic. I was able to retry the same transaction um, within a minute, and I was able to successfully insert the transaction. Okay, so let's cover retry logic today. Okay, so here we have a scenario, and I'm calling this API. Let's say I'm calling this API. How do we retry? Right click, add error handler. Okay, and then let's say break. Okay, and here you can see automatically complete execution. Okay, it's checked. So that means it will automatically complete the execution. Um, um, Maybe in a minute. Let's say let's configure 1 minute. Okay, and the interval between attempts is 1 minute. Okay, number of attempts 3. Okay, so that means it will automatically retry the transaction um, in 1 minute. Okay, and it will retry for 3 times. Okay, it will retry after a minute, and if it is not successful, it will retry again after a minute. Okay, so it will retry 3 times until it is successful. Okay, the interval between the retry is 1 minute. Okay, um, so this is how you implement retry logic, and if you click on OK, let's save it. Okay, okay, I think there is a problem here. This directive requires storing of incomplete execution to be enabled. Okay, so that means you need to go to settings, okay, and allow storing of incomplete execution, so that the incomplete execution should be stored somewhere, right? Only then can you retry it. So that's why we enable this checkbox, and the transaction will be retried automatically every minute. Okay, and it will retry for 3 times. Okay, and hopefully the transaction will be successful. Okay, this is how you implement a retry logic in your scenarios. So you might also face similar issues, and this is how you implement retry logic. I hope this was useful. Have a great day.